Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are going to discuss electrocyclic reaction, but for electrons that have 4n electrons. That is, either they can be 4 electrons, they can be 8 electrons, or any multiple of 4 electrons. These electrons shall be of only pi system we are talking about. Here are the brief contents of today's lecture. We shall talk about electrocyclic reactions. So in electrocyclic reactions, we shall talk about 4 and pi electron system, that which kind of systems are 4 and pi electron system, few of the example, and then thermal versus photochemical 4 and pi electron system. Here is a comparison of three types of system. They are basically they can be aromatic, they can be anti-aromatic, and they can be non-aromatic. So which kind of system they are called aromatic? Normally 4n plus 2 pi electrons. If a system has 4n plus 2 electrons, that is, if n is 0, there shall be 2 electrons. That is, these 2 electrons should be pi electrons. If there are 2 pi electrons are there, if n is 1, then there shall be 6 electrons, and if n is 2, then there shall be 10 electrons. So and so on. So starting from 2, 6 and 10, and then so on. These pi, if there are this much number of pi electrons, or you can say that if they are there is 1 double bond, there are 3 double bonds, or there are 5 double bonds, this type of system, they can be regarded as aromatic type of system. So what kind of properties they have? They are cyclic, they are conjugated, that conjugated means they have alternate double or single bonds. They are normally flat. Because why we say flat? Because for the overlap of atomic, these pi electrons, better overlap, they should for them to show aromaticity, they should be flat. That is, all the carbon atom or all the participating nuclei should be in one plane. So the example is benzene. So aromatic type of compounds, they have extraordinary stability in them. When we talk about anti-aromatic systems, so basically they are very similar to aromatic system in their properties, like they are cyclic, they are conjugated, and they also have pi electrons in them. But the number of pi electrons varies from the 4n plus 2 to 4n pi electron. Just like there could be 4 electrons, there could be 8 electrons. That is, they are multiple of 4 pi electrons. They are flat. That is, all the nuclei are in the same plane. The example includes cyclobutadiene. So in this case, they have extraordinary, you can say, instability. So that's why they are enlisted separately from non-aromatic system. So those two systems that don't fall into these two categories, they are assigned as non-aromatic system. So cyclooctatetraene, why we say, though this cyclooctatetraene, it fulfills the cyclic, conjugated, or 4n plus 2 pi electron, these conditions, but actually this is not a planar structure. So for a best overlap or the aromatic system to work or operate or to be functional, we say that cyclooctatetraene should have a planar structure, but actually it is not. It has a tub-like structure. So we say that this compound is non-aromatic in structure, and it means that non-aromatic system can have this conjugated type of pi electron system too, but we can also say that cyclooctane, it is also non-aromatic. But what we want to say is that anything else than remaining from aromatic and non-aromatic is anti-aromatic, is non-aromatic in nature. Talking about anti-aromaticity, then we have already said that these are basically planar, they are cyclic, and these are conjugated system. But what happens that when we talk about the number of pi electrons, we say that if they have even number of pair of electrons, that is, we are not talking about we say that we are not talking about the even number of electrons, because even number of electrons shall be there in 4n plus 2, but we are talking about the pair of electrons. It means that the pair of electrons are even. It means that when we talk about 4 electron or 8 electron, then they are in 4 electronic system, there are 2 pairs. In 8 electronic system, there are 4 pairs. So these are even number of pairs of electron. But when we talk about 4n plus 2 system, then we talk about 6 or 10 electronic system, then there are 3 electronic pair or 5 electronic pairs. So we say that the aromatic system have odd number of pairs of electron, but anti-aromatic system have even number of pair of electron. Anyways, such compounds they satisfy first 3 criteria for aromaticity. That is, they are cyclic, planar or conjugated system, but they have an even number of pair of electrons, so they can't fit in aromatic compounds. When we say about aromatic compound, we say that they have extraordinary stability when we compare it to the cyclic compound with localized electron. Just like if we compare its benzene with the you can say a similar compound, but we say that hypothetical compound or imaginary compound, that is we have cyclohexatriene type of compound. So the stability of this imaginary compound is not that much, but this benzene compound is much more stable than its cyclic analog, while in aromatic compound they are less stable and compared to the analog cyclic compound with localized electron. Just like when we say that butadiene, if it was simply butadiene, then it could be okay. Here are a few examples of these 4 and pi electronic system. Basically there are 3 main categories, like you have example of butadiene or allyl anion analog or pentadienyl cation. One of them is neutral. When we say neutral, then it means that we have 4 electrons here, but that fall in 4 and pi electron when n is 1. So these 4 electrons, they belong to this system and they are called butadiene. But in case of allyl anion analog, what happens is allyl anion, there is one carbon-carbon double bond, but the third carbon it has 2 electrons. So it is analogous to butadiene pi electrons, because there are 4 p electrons or pi electrons, you can say. So this is again, it fits in the same system, that is 4 and pi electronic system. So this is allyl anion analog, it belongs to this system. When we talk about pentadienyl cations, one example was of allyl where there are 3 carbon atoms, but another example is of pentadienyl cation where there are 5 atoms, but in both cases there are 4 electrons are involved, because one of the in allyl anion they you can say anion case there were 1 pair of electron extra, and in case of pentadienyl cation the 1/5 carbon that is positively charged, so it doesn't have any electron. And these 3 categories they include these are the basic categories. So the higher members will have the same base and may have the additional carbon-carbon double bonds. When we talk about the higher analogues of butadiene, so there is another possibility that we say that they have cyclic structure, and in this case carbon-carbon double bonds are 4 and pi electronic system, we say that they are 4 electrons. But here if you say that why we are placing it here, we said that octatetraene is not anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic and 4 and pi electron system, these are 2 independent terms. We said that 4 and pi electron system, they satisfy anti-aromaticity, but 4 and pi octatetraene, it does included in 4 and pi electronic system. So if you remember, we have carried out the thermal rotation and also thermal electrocyclic reaction and also photochemical reaction, and for these 4 and pi electron system, that is 4 and pi electron system are basically cyclobutene or butadiene type of compound. So for this example we have already seen it in the previous lectures, and you have seen after applying conrotatory motion or disrotatory motion, that conrotation is a load for thermal process and disrotation is a load for photochemical reaction. But in this case we have already applied the symmetry operation and also the frontier molecular orbital approach to that, how molecular orbitals they can overlap each other constructively and form the product. In this case, if you have a look, here is this example is again quoted here for you to have a look, like cyclobutene, it undergoes thermal ring opening reaction to 2E4E24-hexadiene compound, and in this case condutation happens. And because of condutation, if you see that these two methyl groups, they are you can say that cis to each other. You can say that their configuration is something like that, and they have E configuration. Basically E is a better term instead of cis here, because in this case we can say that basically they have E configuration here. So in this case, if this cyclobutene, that is the disubstituted cyclobutene, it undergoes, or it is irradiated, and it goes through this rotation and forms this E and Z product, that is hexadiene compound is formed in this case. So in these two modes we can get the two different isomers. They are stereoisomers of each other too. So 4 and pi electrons, that is they undergo thermal mode and also go through the condutation mode of you can say that this condutation mode is followed for the electrocyclization or ring opening reaction. So here is an overview of how thermal electrocyclization happens in 4 and pi electron system, and we are taking example of disubstituted cyclobutene, and ring opens and it goes to hexadiene type of compound, and it shall be 2,4-hexadiene, I guess. And then in this compound we have these are the correlation diagram for allowed conrotatory ring opening of 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutene. So in this case, what we say that they are actually, we have gone through or studied these type of correlation diagrams before too, but because we are talking about 4 and pi electron system here, so it's better to have a review of this transformation. So according to symmetry operations, we can first, starting from the starting product or reactant to product, we draw their molecular orbital diagrams. And in case of cyclobutene, we have sigma star or pi star here. So in case we have 4 electrons here, because these 4 electrons are involved in the reaction, that is 2 sigma electrons and 2 pi electrons. So these 4 electrons are filled in sigma and pi molecular orbital, and while sigma star and pi star, they are left empty. So in this case HOMO is the pi orbital of cyclobutene. But when we talk about the product, we have psi4 in these molecular orbitals. So they are again 4 electrons. So 4 electrons are occupy psi1 and psi2. So again HOMO is psi2 here. We know that how to draw these molecular orbitals already. So when we talk about the symmetry correlation diagram, then we have studied these rules too, that we can only relate the symmetries of symmetry to symmetric and asymmetric to asymmetric electron transfer. And also we have said that the symmetric electrons are transferring from symmetric to symmetric, but the cross is always between the opposite you can say that symmetries. Just like here, the line connecting the symmetry and symmetric orbital, it is crossing the line connecting the asymmetric orbital. It can't happen that two symmetric to symmetric orbital connecting lines, they are crossing each other. So it fills all these rules, and we have a stable you say that orbital correlation diagram is also shows the allowed conrotatory ring opening of 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutene. Coming to the photochemical reaction, that is the photochemical ring opening reaction. But this photochemical ring opening reaction occurs according to following disrotatory mode. So according after disrotation, again, because in photochemical mode electrons are excited, so they are in their excited state. So now from HOMO electron is shifting to pi star, like from pi to pi star electron is already shifted. So in this case we have this type of electronic filling, that 2 electrons in sigma and 1 electron is in pi, and the pi star has 1 electron. When we talk about psi 4s, then we have in this case, if they are in excited state, then 1 electron in HOMO and 1 electron is in LUMO. When we correlate them with respect to the symmetries, then symmetric is correlated with symmetric, but next we have to correlate symmetric with symmetric and asymmetric with asymmetric molecular orbital. It means HOMO is connected with the LUMO of the product, and LUMO of the reactant is connected with the HOMO of the product. So this is very much in coherence, or you can say that very much in ordered arrangement. So this, it means that ring opening of this 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutene is allowed through this rotatory mode. Okay, coming to the two examples. Basically in these two examples what is said, that basically we have two examples, that is one of them is bicyclopentene and the other one is bicyclooctane, and these two examples have a clear cut evidence that if you have a look on the first example, this is a basically bicyclic compound. This bicyclic compound can be represented here. We can why we want to represent it here, because here we have shown the orbitals that are going to break down here, because there is one carbon-carbon single bond part of this 3-membered ring, and one carbon-carbon single bond adjacent to carbon-carbon double bond. This single bond is also going to break. So this compound can also undergo it was supposed to undergo this rotatory mode of and also can form this cyclopentadiene type of compound, but because this rotation is not allowed in thermally in these cyclobutenes, because these are 4 and pi electron system, and for conrotation to happen, the movement of these you can say that movement of these groups, that is not favorable. So how cyclopentadiene is formed? When we further looked into this reaction, you can say that there was a scientist named Baldwin. So he looked into this reaction and he experimentally proved that this compound is actually formed in this reaction. But why it is formed? It is because that basically another process, it undergoes this 2+2 addition here, that is this carbon-carbon bond it undergoes, that is the we shall learn about these A and S note, you can say that designations here which are mentioned here, that is sigma plus sigma. This is a 2+2 addition, but it's different kind of addition. This is notified by supra and interafacial, that is different faces of these bonds are interacting with each other. So after this type of cycloaddition reaction, this product is formed. So though the product apparently it looked like that this compound, this is the bicyclic compound, it undergoes disrotation and form this cyclopentadiene type of compound, but actually we know that 4 and pi electron system, they can't undergo thermal reaction through disrotation and form the product, so it has to follow the other way to form this stable product. Similarly, you can say that bicyclooctane, it also avoids the forbidden 4-pi disrotatory reaction, and what it does is that first of all we have this bicyclic compound. So cyclobutene, it tries to open up. When it opens up, then we have this intermediate compound, and this intermediate compound, and then it undergoes that 1,5 hydrogen shift, and after 1,5 hydrogen shift we have a planar structure. First of all, it was not a planar structure. So this is why the same structure, like starting from the first bicyclic compound and the last product, if it undergoes the disrotatory 4 and pi electron you can say that electrocyclic ring opening reaction, so it could have been formed, but actually the product is formed, but the way to form the product is avoided by using the two possible steps. One of them was the conrotatory ring opening reaction, and the other one is the 1,5 sigmatropic hydrogen shift. Okay. Here is the another example of these electrocyclic reactions undergoing these conrotation or disrotation mode, but this is specifically for 4 and pi electrons. There are basically several 4 pi electronic electrocyclization reactions which are observed in systems with other than 4 carbon atoms. Just like we took an example of butadiene or cyclobutene, there were 4 carbon atoms. It is also possible we can consider the involvement of heteroatoms. Just like although the parent cyclopropyl anion and allyl anions, they have been found to they are found to be the part of this system. There were two scientists, Huisken and also some co-workers. They have determined the stereochemistry of electrocyclic transformation of these 4 electronic system of aziridines and oxiranes. Basically, we have an example of aziridine here. Kinetic studies of this reaction and trapping of intermediate azomethane amines, they show that by dipolarophiles, they have shown that thermal and photochemical electrocyclization, they are thermally conrotatory and photochemically disrotatory. Basically, this is the same. This is according to the same selection rule we devised or designed based on the previous examples. So they say that aziridines, why they have 2 electrons, because in these aziridines, when they we already said that the ring system, they are not necessary. This is not important for them to have conjugated system or p electron, but when the ring opens, then they shall have 4 electrons. So in this case, when the ring opens by conrotatory mode at 100 degrees Celsius, then we have 4 electrons, like there is a negative charge on the carbon adjacent to nitrogen. Nitrogen is positively charged and there is a carbon nitrogen double bond. So basically 2 electrons of carbon and nitrogen and 2 electrons of this adjacent anion, carbon ion. So or you can say that if there is a double bond between nitrogen and carbon, then there shall be anyways 4 electrons in total. So this type of azomethane yelid, we are calling it yelid, just like remember the example of phosphorus and carbon when they had positive and negative charge adjacent. So we say that it's phosphorus yelid. So in this case, it is this is azomethane yelid. So this azomethane yelid, it is formed. But if you talk about the disrotatory mode for this 4 and pi electronic system, it can't undergo disrotatory mode of rotation through thermal reaction. So we have to carry out it by irradiation. So after irradiation, it undergoes disrotation and it forms the other isomer. That's like in this case we have carboxyl group or ester group on one side, and the other isomer we have methyl carboxylate ester, it's on the other side. That is, this stereochemistry is changed, that it is cis now. So when this azomethane yelid, it undergoes thermal conrotation, it gives rise to this aziridine again, but again in this aziridine the stereochemistry is changed. That is, the ester group, it's now outward, that is out of the plane of the aziridine. Here is another example of electrocyclic reaction with 4 and pi electrons. This is very similar to aziridine type of system where there were 4 electrons. So basically reaction starts when we have a alcohol here, and this alcohol, basically OH, is in the middle carbon between 2 carbon-carbon double bonds. So when it is treated with you can say that H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. So dehydration takes place, or you can say removal of water occurs, and then we have a positive charge between 2 carbon-carbon double bonds, but this positive charge doesn't stays on the same carbon, it resonates, and we have a you can say that pentadienyl cation system. And this pentadienyl is basically similar to it has substituted basically pentadienyl cation, and this pentadienyl cation system can undergo you can say that electrocyclization reaction and form a product that is in 93% yield. So because in this system this was a thermally induced reaction, so in this reaction we have one product that is stereospecifically formed. But on the other hand, so what we did in the first reaction is the generation of pentadienyl cation at low temperature in strong acid, which has been accomplished. However, in contrast to it, pentadienyl cations, they photochemically cyclize in a disrotatory mode, and this is just in accordance with the selection rules we have discussed before. Actually, this example it states how electrocyclic reactions are playing their part in biological system, but it doesn't exactly relates 4 and pi electrons. Basically, this is about 6 pi electrons, so it fits in 4n plus 2 electron pi electronic system. But however, it is an example of electrocyclic reaction on how they help biological system. We have we have a ring here that is a fused ring of this cyclohexadiene type structure and oxyrane type ring. So these ring undergo electrocyclic ring opening reaction to form a 7-membered ring containing oxygen. So this heterocycle again then it undergoes epoxidation and further reactions are established. But these are very important reactions that are basically at first step enzymatic epoxidation is done, and then ring opening is done by the disrotatory mode. So these basically reactions occur in the biological system. This is basically a proposed biosynthesis of aranotine, a naturally occurring oxypene and its related compound. Oxypene is basically this 7-membered oxygen containing ring. We call it oxypene, and its related compounds are synthesized through these electrocyclic reactions. Enzymatic epoxidation of phenylalanine derived diketopiperazine, it forms arene oxide, which undergoes 6 pi disrotatory ring opening electrocyclization reaction to produce the uncyclized oxypene. After a second epoxidation of ring, nearby nucleophilic nitrogen attacks the electrophilic carbon, forming a 5-membered ring. This resulting ring system is a common ring system found in aranotine and its related compound. Okay, here we are talking about the applications of these 4 and pi electron pi systems and on organic synthesis. Basically, if you look at the first example here, then an often studied you can say that an often studied electrocyclic reaction is the conrotatory thermal ring opening of benzocyclobutene. The reaction product is very unstable. It is orthoquinodiamethane. We have this type of intermediate here, but this type of intermediate is quite unstable. But this molecule can be trapped in a endo addition with a strong dienophile, such as malic anhydride, to deal the elder product. So in the intermediates react with another dienophile and it gives this product. It can only occur because though this one was stable, but if we use this one instantly with using this dienophile, and then it can be trapped to form this product. But the notable thing is that we can utilize this reaction to form this kind of product starting from this benzocyclobutene type compound. So these are different organic transformations that can be carried out starting from benzocyclobutene to this type of tricyclic compound. So we have its important role, that is the electrocyclic reaction. They have important role in organic synthesis. There are a few groups shown here, like we have silyl group or methyl group, and also another alkyl chain is here. So they have different preference for these groups depending upon the substituent nature. This benzocyclobutene reactivity it changes. Coming to the second example, basically when we talk about these type of reaction are biomimetic. Biomimetic is something that imitates biological system. Electrocyclic cascade reaction were discovered in relation to the isolation and synthesis of certain carboxylic acids. In this case too, we have cascade reactions are just like they have sequential, you can say that sequence wise certain reactions are occurring, but just one reaction it sets the basis for the another reaction. So one time it happens that we have their electrocyclization occurs at first step, and again electrocyclization happens in the next step. So in this case we can say that certain compounds, like we have this pi conjugated system, it undergoes electrocyclization reaction to form a 3 pi bonds at the cost of 1 pi bond. 3 pi bonds are left and 1 sigma bond is formed. Then there were 3 pi bonds and 1 pi bond is gives the cost to form a another sigma bond that acts as a bridge between cyclobutane and butadiene ring, and the connecting butadiene type structure with the cyclobutane ring. The books are again the same. You have to look for these topics and go through them. There is an assignment for you that you have to look for an example of a system containing 4 and pi electrons, but they should also contain heteroatom, just like we have discussed aziridine example in the text in the lecture today. You have to find, or you can say that we have discussed oxypene type compound in the applications of electrocyclic reaction. So you have to find another example containing heteroatom, and it's best if the heteroatom is involved in the electrocyclic reaction itself, just like in case of aziridine